What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your username on Discord. Now I'm on mobile Discord, but it is a very similar process for desktop Discord as well. Once you're on your home screen here, you're going to hit your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. And then from here you're going to click the account tab. It's right below set status, the second tab down. And then from this menu here, right at the first tab at the top there is an option for username. You can click on that. And then from here, you can change your username. Now, as you can see there, just an example, you can't change the numbers that are ending in your username. That's only like a premium feature for the Discord Nitro. But you could change your username anytime you want to whatever you want here. And then it will update with your custom tag still there. If you had any questions or anything about how this worked, though, don't be afraid to comment them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.